In this video, I am going to show you a very simple method that you can implement today and start making money with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And for those who don't know what affiliate marketing is, literally you make money when people make a purchase and you get a cut out of that purchase, which is sometimes called commission. All right. And for affiliate marketing, there are a lot of platforms for affiliate marketing. Usually they call them affiliate network, which is the like of ClickBank and Digistore24. There are other ones like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the likes. All right. So basically all you need to do is get people to purchase products from any of these categories right here. If you click on any of these categories here, you are going to see a lot of products, and all you literally need to do is click on the promote link and get and drive targeted traffic to these offers. And once people make a purchase, you get a cut out of the purchase. So basically that is how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. While for CPA marketing, you have CPA networks where all you need to do is get people to sign up for an offer or install an app and you make money. So literally it's easier than affiliate marketing because you don't need to convince people to buy a product or anything. All you just need to do is get them to sign up for an offer or install an app and you are making money. All right. So basically all you need to do is you want to go to the offer section and you can choose any country where you want to promote offers from. So if I take any country here as an example, okay, so let me take New Zealand here. All right, so once I do that, you are going to see a lot of offers that are available to people in New Zealand. All right, and you can also come over to this section here and you can choose the category of offers that you want to promote. And keep in mind, you can only get conversion from people who are from these countries. All right. So if anyone from any country other than this particular country right here clicks on the offer, they won't be able to complete that offer. All right. So basically you need to understand that any country you choose right here, you must drive traffic from that particular country to those offers. I hope that makes sense. So literally I always recommend you go for email submit or zip offers. All right, so once you click on email submit and zip, you are going to see a lot of email submit offers. So literally what your traffic needs to do most of the time is sign up for the offer. Usually they have to submit their name and email address and that is it, and you make money. As you can see, this one right here is going to pay $1.37. Imagine getting 100 people to sign up for an email, to sign up for an iPhone 13 offer. People submit their email address every day. So basically this is how easy it can be making money with CPA marketing. So I'm going to show you a very simple method that you can use to drive traffic to any of these offers, be it affiliate product or CPA offers. All right, so basically you want to head over to a website called strikingly.com, and all you literally need to do is sign up for an account. It's absolutely free, although they have a paid version, but you can get started with a free version. All right, so basically what this website does is it allows you to create a landing page. All right, so as you can see here, there are a lot of landing pages here that you can use to design a CPA offer or an affiliate product. All right, so if you don't want to use strikingly.com, there are a lot of other options as well. You can always come over to use breezy.io. all right, it's one of my favorites, and you can also use Google Sites as well. And I've also made a video in the past where you can get a free domain from Phenom connected to your Google site. So let me show you an example of what I mean. So if I click on this setting right here and I go to custom domain, you can see right here this is a custom domain for this Google site landing page. So literally you can get a free domain from Phenom and link it to your Google site landing page and make it look even more professional. All right, so once you've done that, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to this website right here. So the reason why you want to use this website is it's very cheap to run paid ads on this website. You don't want to go for this pop-up. It's usually for those who are more experienced in running ads, but for beginners I recommend you go with push notification or push ads. So basically, as you can see right here, you are literally paying for clicks. All right, so basically you get charged when someone clicks on your landing page. Okay, as you can see right here, CPC, which stands for cost per click, is 0.003 cents. All right, so basically this is the amount you are going to be paying for every person who clicks on your landing page. All right, as you can see, most CPA offers are going to pay you over $1. If you get about 10 clicks to your CPA offer and just one of them converts, you've made your money back. All right, so like I said, you can also use this to promote affiliate products as well. You don't have to use only CPA offers. And if you want me to make a detailed and in-depth video on how to run ads with Rich Ads, then leave a comment down below. The more comments I see down below, the more the chances that I am going to make a video about how to use Rich Ads. And also, I must mention that the minimum deposit before you can start running ads on Rich Ads is $150. All right, so basically if you have $150 deposited in your Rich Ads account, you can start running ads to CPA offers or affiliate products. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any useful information, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.